Today's project is all about creating your own textile. Yeah, so you've seen that patchwork design trend. It's all over the runways and on social media. So it's time to take that streetwear vibe to your sewing room and create your very own deconstructed denim look. So today, we're gonna make a patchwork denim oversized shirt with a hood. So if you're ready, let's make it. You'll need your brother's sewing machine, denim fabric scraps from once loved garments, fabric scissors, a rotary cutter and straight edge, a measuring tape, straight pins, pattern paper and paper scissors, and an old sweatshirt or alternate material to create the hood. First, let's start by deconstructing the denim and creating various sizes and shaped pieces from denim fabric and once loved garments. To create the textile, start by pinning a few pieces of the denim together. Now I'm overlapping the edges and leaving the raw edges exposed to get a textured, street vibey look. Remember, this project is all about creating your own textile. And in this case, placement of your patchwork pieces and using different wash styles are going to be key. So continue to piece, pin, and sew the denim scraps together until you create two large pieces of a new textile. Flip the reconstructed denim textile over so the wrong side is facing up, and clip the excess fabric close to the seams. This will reduce the bulk in your final look. Next, cut the shirt pattern out of the new denim textile. For this project, I'm using a very basic shirt pattern with a boxy oversized fit and slouchy sleeves. Fold the textile in half with the right sides facing each other. Place the shirt pattern on the fold, pin it, and cut out the pattern. Now note, instead of cutting the bottom of the pattern here, I'm leaving it long so I can determine the length later. Cut out a front and back piece. With the right sides of the two cutout pattern pieces together, pin the sides and the shoulders. Base stitch them together first, and then try the shirt on for fit. If needed, take in the sides or add material to lengthen the sleeves. Now, sew the sides and the shoulders. Be sure to clip the curves under the arm and clean up any raw edges. To give this look an even more modern vibe, I'm adding a hood to this denim shirt. Using a basic hood pattern, simply cut the pattern from the alternate material. Here, I'm using an old sweatshirt to stay on course with a fully upcycled, finished garment. Cut out the hood pattern from the material. Serge or sew the back seam of the hood pieces together. To finish the front of the hood, fold the material in twice and sew. Next, pin the hood onto the collar of your denim shirt with the right sides facing each other. Using the free arm of your sewing machine, sew it in place. Then, with the collar folded inward and the hood in place, top stitch the hood in denim so it lays flat and is finished. Now it's time to hem the sleeves and the bottom. First, decide on the bottom length. You can make it a crop top, leave it long with a side split, or create a high-low look, high in the front and longer in the back. You can also choose to leave these edges raw or fold them over and sew a hem for a clean finish. And there you have it, a super stylish patchwork denim hoodie. Now with this simple concept, you can create so many things out of patchwork denim. And the best part about this project, you created your own textile. So jump on the Fashion Trend Express and give old denim a new life.